Four-cylinder engine, and this one is the most rare one among them. Like you can see, this one is a Ducati, and it's auto racing. It's probably for racing bike, and it's got about 6-cylinder in it, and it's got a lot of features like the wings and the air film stuff like that. Yeah. And this is about 3-cylinder cc, and it's got about like 120 horsepower in it, and it's very cool. Yeah. And it's also great. The other one right here is also Yamaha. It's also Yamaha, and it's probably about 4-cylinder in it. So I don't know. Just send in your views and I'll get to save it for you. Yeah. This is a Yamaha. I don't actually know the model number, but it's a Yamaha 4-bike, and you can see it for you right there. You can see it's from Yamaha. And this right there is a Kawasaki. But I don't think this is a Ninja H2, or maybe just probably Kawasaki, not Ninja. So this one is also available, and I'm probably thinking about acquiring it today. So that's it.
Got a project.
So that's it. This is just Kawasaki. But I don't actually know the model number, but all I know is that it's Kawasaki. But maybe it's gonna be something like H2 or so. But it's okay, sure. I will keep on updating about the bike, and once they get everything ready, and I will let you guys know about it. And over here we still got another bike here. Okay, this is also Honda. It's probably about 4-cylinder in it, and I don't actually know the horsepower, but it looks very great. You can see how good it is. It looks very cool. So it looks very great, and it's also got shifter in it, and everything looks good. So that's it for today. Just tell me what you think about it, so I'm telling how we can do the deals.
What?